Welcome to Eat Plants Love Kids. I'm Ella.
I'm Maya.
I'm Josie. In this video, we're going to be making whole food plant-based ice cream.
Today our recipe is from Eat Plants Love, Recipes for a Good Life. For our first variation of the ice cream recipe, we're going to be making not Cherry Garcia. You're going to need to slice 3 bananas and freeze them. Then you're going to need 4 to 5 frozen cherries, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. And then some type of non-dairy milk. We're using almond milk. And you need 1/3 cup to 1/2 depending on how it turns out. So you're going to put everything in. And now I'm going to blend it.
Now I'm going to be making the chocolate peanut butter whole food plant-based ice cream. So in here, I already have 1/3 cup peanut butter. Then I'm going to add 3 frozen bananas cut into chunks. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder. And then I'm going to add 1/3 to 1/2 cup of almond milk or some other non-dairy milk. And then I'm going to blend.
Our last whole food plant-based ice cream is going to be strawberry ice cream. So we need 3 bananas frozen into chunks. You also need 3 to 4 strawberries. These are not frozen. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/3 to 1/2 cup of almond milk or some other non-dairy milk. So you're going to put all of our ingredients into the blender. And with the milk, you might not want to add all of it in at first, otherwise it could turn out too liquidy. And now I'm going to put the top on and blend. Now that the ice cream is blended and in our bowls, it's ready to eat.
Thank you for joining us.
Come back next time for more delicious whole food plant-based recipes.